Okay, so just reading this, Pat and Chandra are playing a game. They take turns throwing 2 dice. The game is won by the first player to throw a double 6. Pat starts the game. So Pat starts the game. And we're actually interested in the probability that Pat wins on the first throw. So to win, you need to throw a double 6. So there's 2 dice. So what's the probability of getting a double 6? So it's going to be probability of a 6 and a 6, which is 1 in 6 times 1 in 6, which is 1 in 36. There's 36 possibilities. The probability of not getting a double 6 would be 1 minus that. So that's 35 on 36. Okay, so that's the answer to part 1. But if you're looking at part 2, what's whether Pat wins the game on the first or the second throw? So if he wins on the first throw, that's your 1 in 36. If he wins on the second throw, he's got to not win on the first. So to not win would be 35 on 36, and he'd have to win on the second throw. So it would be that. Okay, what is the probability that he eventually wins? So if you want that he eventually wins, when you get questions like this, they're usually like infinite series. So it's 1 on 36 in the first throw, then it's 35 on 36 because it's not times 1 on 36. Let's look at the third throw. The third throw will be losing on the first, losing on the second, and winning on the third. And then the fourth throw would be losing on the first, winning on the second, losing on the second, losing on the third, and then winning on the fourth row, and you keep going on. So if you look at this, this is actually a geometric infinite series. So A would be equal 1 on 36, and R would be 35 on 36, that's the second term, divided by 1 on 36, which gives you 35 on 36. Because if you look at these, that's what they're going up by. So it's 1 on 36 plus 35 on 36 times 1 on 36 plus 35 on 36 squared times 1 on 36. And then the next one will be cubed, and then etc. So what's the probability he would eventually win? That would be the sum to infinity. And you notice that R is in between 1 and minus 1. So that's 1 on 36 and 35 on 36, which when you simplify that gives you 1 on 36.